Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
We need to work out the way how this road can be made through the Western Ghats. We can think about elevated road which can be on the studs, and wherever possible there can be a tunnels, thereby reducing the impact on the wildlife and the forest area. This is a one part of the project. Now, total load requirement of Goa on a peak hours is approximately 550 to 600 MVA, which can be catered by, presently it is catering by Western Grid. As it is, they are not drawing much power from the Ambewadi because it is coming from the dense forest and there are a lot of fluctuations in that. Of course, we need an alternate source for the South Goa in case any failure happens on the northern grid, that is Western Grid, which comes from Kolhapur. So my suggestion was that we can either enhance the existing Ambewadi line by putting the larger towers on the same line positions and draw the current of 440 by changing the towers, of course, but we need not cut the extra trees. See, all these options need to be worked out because there are a lot of people who have knowledge about these things. There are now new technologies which has come by which you need not get the bigger tower line. You can reduce the impact on the environment. So my contest was to study in deep, getting all the people in confidence and taking this kind of important decision, which is going to affect larger part of the population of Goa, ultimately one line of the southern line, in which I don't find any much need for the other industries except for the MPT, because other industries load is scattered by either the current Konkani highway, or once this highway expansion is done, all the transportation can be done through it. So these need to be actually checked in depth.